Hey guys, I would like you to welcome you to my YouTube channel Let's Make Up with Bhumika. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to do false lash application. So guys, the most important thing is to measure your lashes and cut it if it's excess. So guys, let's start with the application. So guys, next you want a pair of lashes and a adhesive. Hold lashes from center and apply a thin layer of adhesive on the rim of the lashes. And wait for 4 to 5 seconds to dry. We want a semi-dry. Guys, I have used lash fixer from MAC. Guys, so hold it from the center like this and place it on your lashes, lash line, and then stick the lash to the outer corner and then slowly move towards the inner corner. Make sure guys there's no gap between your lash line and your false lashes. So to avoid it, press it gently . So guys, I'm doing the same procedure on the other lash. So this is the final look after false lash application. So if you have any problem related to this tutorial, you can comment me and I'll get back to you soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video, and I will be back with new video soon. And thank you for watching. Thank you.